Hey everyone, if you're trying to back up your notes in Logseq and keep getting a backup failed error, incomplete backups, or backup files that won't generate properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Logseq backup problems in 2026. First, check your available storage space. One of the most common reasons backups fail is insufficient disk space. Make sure your device has enough free storage to create and save the backup successfully. Next, verify that Logseq has permission to access the folder where you're saving the backup. Restricted permissions can prevent backup files from being created. Another common fix is restarting Logseq and attempting the backup again. Temporary software glitches can sometimes interrupt backup operations. If you're storing your graph in a cloud-synced folder such as Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or iCloud, make sure synchronization has completed successfully before creating a backup. You should also confirm that the graph folder is accessible and that no files are currently locked by another application. Another helpful step is updating Logseq to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements related to file management and backup reliability. And that's how to fix Logseq backup failed errors in 2026. In most cases, checking storage space, verifying permissions, updating Logseq, and ensuring proper synchronization will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.